Hello everyone, this your girl Mo, back with another food review short, and we are reviewing the pumpkin pie blizzard by Dairy Queen, y'all. Alright y'all, so this is how it looked when they packed it. I had in the freezer too, y'all. So yeah, that's the whipped cream. Alright y'all, so we're gonna let my baby taste a little bit. Taste it, honey. Ooh. It tastes good, y'all. That's the whipped cream. Pumpkin spice. You know I'm all in the pumpkin spice area right now, y'all. Cause fall, I love me some fall. Alright, y'all, my other daughter finna try it. Let her some. Try it. Alright, Trin, what you say?
It's good.
She said it's good, y'all. So my baby right here says good. See how I see my baby? It's good. It tastes like pumpkin pie.